Assalamu alaikum, guys. Farida here with Fashion by Faith Iman, and I'm welcoming you guys to the fall fashion accessories series. Yum yum. I hope you guys have been enjoying it so far. So we're just getting like readjusted to everything and getting adjusted to our fall groove. You know, this year has been really stressful. However, it's time to get organized. Take the deep inventory of what you have in your life. It's good to do every season. And so we're talking about how to organize your accessories and beauty routine. Right now, I have one of my babies in front of me, and I actually purchased her for a whole different reason. But I've been using her for my beauty routine accessories and my vitamins. However, she's also really good to use for your smaller scarves, like your hair ties. This is the one I use to tie my hair at night. Sometimes you guys will see me do a video with that on. I have a nice little turban. You guys, I love these turbans. And you can store things in there like that. And again, this came in a set. Again, Ross. Most of these items are from like Ross and TJ Maxx kind of home goods kind of stores. I'm pretty sure you can find them at Amazon.com. This is the brand. That brand, see, and she actually comes in a set of like three. You open it, there'll be another one, smaller one. I didn't need such a small one. I needed this size, and again, utilizing round items, sturdy items, and I like how sturdy this is. I like the fact that it is not fabric, because of course they had some that were more fabric, but this is the plastic polyester blend. The general aesthetic of it is very nice. Instead of those old-fashioned kind of Parisian looking kind, or kind of too vintage, I wanted something more into transitional into summer fall kind of floral, very proper looking, but also I can utilize it and so it can be seen in my closet and not just look so old, because sometimes they do have these in like styles that are just too much like Parisian and vintage, and they just look so, to me they look so like outdated. This is a really nice color scheme, so I love that. Again, you can just open it up. I do like the fact that this one has a double zipper, and it has an ample amount of spaces. So another thing I want to recommend using this for, ladies and gentlemen, it's your intimates. Some of the nicer like undies you have, the smaller delicates you have, and just keeping those nice and kind of dust free. If you have purchased something that's a little bit expensive and you want to put it in there, if it's super clean, you can put a little nice little air freshener in there or something in there to keep the moths and everything off. A couple of drops of essential oil I recommend. But this is super good for that, and it's also wonderful for, like I said, your little vitamins or little things you use like your general face and beauty routine serums, because it allows you to clean it out. I really love that you clean it out. And again, one of the number one reasons I purchased it was because I am doing a lot of business on the go, especially with launching our photography portion. It just allows me sometimes to grab what I need for the day, put it in here, have it separate. Sometimes I get a little mist spray or something that I need for myself in the traveling through the city of Houston, which is a massive city. Sometimes I do pack an extra mask or a couple of vitamins in here, and it's just something I know that I'm going to get all my beauty routine in one space. And again, with the soaps, things like this that I showed in the other video, if you guys are going to see the other video, things like your lotions can fit in here, your beautiful bath soaps can fit in here, and you don't have to worry about it getting super damaged in comparison to seeing the ones that are like made of fabric. Like I those really get a lot of makeup and like stuff on them. I just wipe this off with a baby wipe and I'm ready to go. Again, this was probably less than $10, about $7 I think for one of them, and this was at Ross. If you're in Houston, this was the one near Sugarland Ross. But definitely you can find these probably anywhere. They're super cute, and they're just a great way to organize yourself. I hope these videos are helpful. Again, you guys can book with me for your virtual style session and your full image consulting session, where we teach everything from self-confidence to your style of your closet. We go do a virtual tour of your closet. We help match your outfits, and we do teach, we have a variety of organization tips and things always accessible on our app for those who have already purchased their package. Throughout the year, we do a bunch of fun things that are only exclusive to the app. So guys, much love, and as always, share, like, comment, and subscribe. Be bold, be beautiful. Assalamu alaikum.